give me just 2 minutes on your rebounder. This is the perfect health bounce if you're looking to improve your balance, move some lymph, and also gain a little bit more confidence on your rebounder. Great for folks that are over 60 and beginners. And Mom is going to demonstrate for us today while I coach you through. Let's get started. All right, guys, check out that timer, and we are going to get started right here. Mom, feet about hips width apart, and we're going to start with the soft bounce method. So relax your shoulders, have a slight bend in the knees, open, relaxed upper body. Your feet stay on the mat the whole time for the health bounce. So we're not bouncing high, and I'd like for you to press your feet into the mat and then let the rebounder respond to you underneath. And then the T is tall spine, so you're going to have this tall spine, slight engagement in the belly, and then slightly hinge at the waistline. Nice job. And then you can keep the hands on the safety bar if you want to, or you can play with having them off. It's totally up to you. Now, Mom has been rebounding with me for a couple months now, so she's pretty confident without the safety bar, but of course, I always encourage folks, especially if you're a beginner, to use the safety bar. Nice job, and how's that feel so far?
Good.
Good. Very good. So we're about halfway there. And usually just 2 minutes is the perfect place to start. In fact, both of us started with just 2 minutes a day and then kind of gradually built from there. And this workout is perfect to help you just get a little bit more confident on the rebounder. We're certainly moving that lymph and also working on your balance. So rebounding, so many health benefits I could go into, but those are the 3 main ones we're focusing on today. If you enjoy workouts like this and would like to continue learning with me, go ahead and grab your free beginner safety guide to rebounding down in the links below. And that's a great way to help, especially if you're brand new to rebounding. Nice job, and we're about 30 seconds to go. Keep it going nice and light, maintaining that soft method. So soft knees, open upper body, feet press into the ground, and then that tall spine. Nice job. Nice job. Keep breathing. We're looking out in front, a natural breath. Just enjoy yourself. Have some fun here. We're not rushing this. We're just getting used to these moves. All right, here we are for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Round of applause to you. Mom, high five to you. Great job today, guys. If you enjoyed this workout, please be sure to come back tomorrow. Again, like I said, you always can just gradually build from here. So 2 minutes is the perfect place to start, and then we build off of that. That's it, guys. Great job today. Be sure to download your beginner safety guide to rebounding in the links below. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the rebounder we're using today, I'll leave that link down there too. And of course, if you want to continue on this journey with me, check out this video next where I share what I wish I would have known before I started rebounding. I'll see you in the next video.